Our next composition is also a composition that was a coronation of wonderful guys that features again Ken Makuakane. So,
what?
This is another one of your songs. Hey, you.
Wait a minute.
That's what happened when you win those awards.
No, it's Mel.
Oh, Mel. Oh, that's right, Mel. Sorry.
Wasn't my fault.
Oh, wait.
He didn't have his Makuakane with him right now.
I have my kukui. Let's see. Okay, Mel, and he's going to introduce his wife, yeah, on this one.
At this time, I'd like to introduce my wife. This is my wife, Leialoha, Lim Amina. She actually comes from the Big Island, Kohala. For those of you who remember the Lim family, she's the oldest girl of the Lim family. So she's going to share the story of the song that she actually wrote for me while I was living out in Waianae.
Aloha. Leialoha here. This song was composed in 1994. My husband was getting ready to record, and he needed another song. And just a couple of days before that, I was at the Bishop Museum, and I saw this title that said Aina Aloha Kala. And it was for another name, but I kind of borrowed that and put Waianae Aloha Akala, because I come from Kohala on the Big Island, and from the land of the Makani a Pa'apa'a, and it's very, very cold and windy there. He comes from Waianae. It's very hot, but the people that live there love that Aina. And so what I did was that terminology kind of softened it and said how much they love this place that they come from. So, and in this mele, I chose just a couple of places to talk about. One is Poka'i, okay, that's where his family would often go. And then, of course, the beautiful Mount Ka'ala. There was more to it. See, this is how I wrote the song. I'm just going to tell you guys, okay? We know that in Mele, always different areas have different wind names, right? Rain names, or something that is special about that area. And so I had found like maybe about 12 different things. But my husband told me, the song cannot be long, and it has to be short. So I only chose 2 places to talk about. So we're going to do, and I'm going to dance for you, Waianae.
So this was written by my wife for a special gift for me. The song's is loved by the beautiful hot sun.
Mahalo, Mel. Hey, how about a round of applause for Mel and Leialoha? Oh, the beautiful composition.